Anaya, today we will learn 3, 4 and 5 tables.
3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9. Achoo! 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 50, 3 fives are 50, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 tens are 30, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40, 4 tens are 40, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 50, 5 threes are 50, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 tens are 50. तो फ्रेंड्स, क्या आपको हमारे साथ टेबल सीखने में मजा आया? अगर मजा आया तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलना। हमारे साथ और टेबल सीखने के लिए रहना।